So Yannick, what are industrial transformations and why are they critical to manufacturing today?
Well, again, John, I think they're important to stay relevant and to remain competitive, not falling behind. So permanently reassessing how are we performing, what trends do we see in industry, what trends do we see in our market, and preparing the future. Not being solely focused in the now, but also already anticipating the future, because some transformations, like think about implementing an ERP system, this is typically an initiative what will take easily a year or two from assessing what we need until closing the project, and we are running now on a new ERP system. And complex industrial transformations are those type of things, implementing technology, redesigning our footprint because things have changed in the world and we need to move factories from A to B, or we need to modernize our product portfolio, or we went through merger and acquisition, we need to integrate a new company in our network. Those are complex, large endeavors which are risk loaded, and if they are not well done, they can do a lot of harm to the enterprise. How do we prepare for the future?